Imagine a visitor, moving through the dark. It makes no sound. It gives off no light. This is a black hole, a place where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape. Astronomers believe millions of these objects wander silently through our Milky Way. What if one of these silent travelers was on a path toward our home, our solar system? It begins not with a bang, but with a whisper, a subtle clue noticed from very far away. Light from distant stars bends and distorts. Gravitational lensing, the signature of a massive object. Our instruments detect a tiny wobble in the sun, as if tugged by an unseen hand. After years of observation, the conclusion is undeniable. A stellar mass black hole is heading our way. It could reach the sun in about 95 years. A silent countdown has begun. The years pass. The black hole continues its silent journey inward. The first effects appear in the distant, icy frontier. The Kuiper Belt, the Oort cloud, countless dwarf planets and comets. These small bodies are the first to be disturbed. Sedna, far from the sun, is among the first to feel the pull. Its once predictable path begins to warp. The intruder acts like a cosmic slingshot, capturing some, scrambling others, and ejecting many into interstellar space. We track it by the chaos it creates, and by the way it bends starlight behind it. Each observation confirms its trajectory. The cosmic clock is ticking down. By 2073, it is within Sedna's orbit, reshaping the architecture of our celestial home. The outer guard is breached and scattered. The intruder approaches the realm of the giants. Its full power is about to be unleashed. By 2105, the black hole is only 19 years from the sun's position. Its gravitational influence begins to overwhelm the sun's hold on the ice giants, Neptune, Uranus. Their majestic paths bend and stretch, becoming unstable and unpredictable. A distant pass could leave them on extreme ellipses. A closer one can fling them into interstellar space. Like stones from a sling, either could be ejected completely. Rogue worlds in the dark. Their moons are thrown into disarray. Rings and long stable orbits break. Some fragments may be captured by the black hole, becoming its satellites or deadly projectiles. We witness planets tossed like marbles, a stark warning of what comes next. In 2120, Pluto is cast aside as the intruder nears the inner solar system. Its immense gravity wreaks havoc on the asteroid belt, destabilizing millions of rocks. But the main event is Jupiter. Only 5 months remain. The same tides we know on Earth are magnified unimaginably, stronger on Jupiter's near side than its far side. Great plumes of hydrogen and helium are siphoned into a swirling vortex toward the black hole. Near the event horizon, the gas compresses and heats to millions of degrees. A brilliant accretion disk forms, shining invisible light and X-rays. From Earth, Jupiter's slow death appears as a new, intensely bright star. Layer by layer, the giant is stripped. The disk flares. Short-lived jets may burst from the poles. Wearing Jupiter's luminous shroud, the intruder presses on, leaving the sky forever changed. With Jupiter gone, the intruder reaches Mars' orbit. It is January 24th, 2121. 25 days remain. Once shielded by Jupiter, the inner planets are now exposed. Earlier disruptions send swarms inward, months or years in the making, now arriving. Earth, Mars, Venus, Mercury. A celestial bombardment begins. The skies blaze with constant fire. Most meteors burn up, many reach the ground. Impacts become daily, then hourly. Cities fall. Ocean strikes drive giant tsunamis. Dust and soot envelop Earth, dimming our sun and plunging the world into gloomy twilight. The glowing disk floods space with intense radiation. Earth's magnetic field helps, but not enough. Auroras stretch pole to pole, beautiful and a deadly omen. Life on the surface becomes nearly impossible. Survivors retreat underground as the atmosphere thins and oceans begin to boil away. It is February 9th, 2121. Only 9 days remain. Earth is now close enough to be captured by the black hole's gravity. Caught between the sun and the intruder, our orbit snaps, not into annihilation, but into a slingshot outward. We whip around in a fast, tight arc. Starlight curves into a distorted circle, a unique, haunting frame around the abyss. Time distorts. Hours for us, days, even weeks, for the universe beyond. A final, intense burst from the disk washes over us. The sky ignites, a last, brilliant dawn before eternal night. Our momentum carries us away. The sun shrinks into the unfamiliar star field. Temperatures plummet. Oceans freeze. The atmosphere snows onto the ground. The day of arrival comes. The black hole reaches the point where our sun held dominion. If not consumed, the sun is locked in a tight, chaotic orbit with its dark partner. Its outer layers may be stripped, feeding a final, brilliant accretion display. The solar system as we knew it is gone. What remains is a bizarre new order, forged in chaos. Earth and others like it likely wander as rogues. Some worlds may be consumed entirely, their matter spiraling into the disk. Others could be captured into new dim orbits around the black hole. Surviving planets live by a faint disk glow and the cold light of distant stars. If our sun endures as a companion, it would swing wildly across unfamiliar skies.